Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play the Free Fire Max game on your PC without using any emulators. So let's get started right away. In order to play Android games on your PC, you will need to install Google Play Games Beta. So open up your web browser and just search for Google Play Games Beta. Once you find the play.google.com link, you can click on it and now click on Download Beta to download the installer. You can then open it up. After choosing your installation directory, just click on the install button, and once the installation is completed, you can open up the Google Play Games Beta application. Then just log in using your Google account, and now you can access the Google Play Store. Now all that's left to do is to search for the game. Click on the search button and type in Free Fire Max. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and now just click on the install button. You can choose to add a desktop shortcut as well, and now just wait for the download to complete. And once it is done, you can use the desktop shortcut and also click on the play button to open up the game right away. And now you can start enjoying the Free Fire Max game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to play the Free Fire Max game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.